1024, eastbound, Archer Valley.
Back on the top half.
Black Bell ran off in the woods. We got past here.
Help me, please. Please, I can't get out. I can't open it. I get it. I told him to stop. My arm. Oh my God.
Hey, I gave his arms back.
Stand up, bro. Stop.
Hey, yeah, black male. Hey, black male. Green shorts ran this way. We're right here on the exit ramp of MLK to go 70 eastbound.
Oh my God. Ew.
11 out Packers.
Oh my
Come on, we
God.
got,
Hey, where's
one with a broken arm.
We got
Black male, green shorts, I believe. Green shorts and green shirt. Can I?
Oh my God. Officer, please help me.
Listen, okay? Listen to me. We got LifeNet personnel right here, okay? All right? Hold on.
You hear me?
Just hold on 1 second, okay?
Can y'all get my stuff off the
It's gonna be a minute, all right? All right, it's gonna be a minute, okay?
He don't even know nobody. I need to be doing that.
Do what?
I don't know where he called his truck running to.
Barry went westbound on Brand. Yeah, he's going westbound on Brand. On foot, white t-shirt, blue jeans, and looks like red.
Another unit stop, but he just jumped the barrier to go down on Brand. Hey, Corbin.